It gives me great pleasure to introduce the Sabre Australia Loyalty Program.
For the first time, restaurants in Australia can be part of a loyalty program designed just for restaurants.
To engage with your customers at a meaningful level, and the best way to do that is a loyalty program. Getting new customers, retaining existing customers, increasing the spend from those customers that we have.
It is great for all restaurants, big or small.
It can be just as applicable for a pizza restaurant that can reward their loyal guests as it can be for the best fine dining restaurant in the country. The most important thing for a restaurant business is everything they do is tied into their operation on a daily basis. An industry-wide program means that we can make it efficient. It ties into their existing credit card processing, all their existing systems, to make sure that it's seamless.
Benefits of this are unmistakable.
It's great for the business and it's great for the customers.
Attract new customers to the restaurant and give them a reason to not only dine there in the first place, but to come back again. Restaurants spend a lot of money in a lot of different areas for marketing, but here is a chance now to focus it on something that the customer can find easy to use and gives great benefits back to the restaurant. For instance, if they're spending $100 a head, how do you get them to spend $120 a head? Costs are shared right across the industry. Everyone can tap into a much bigger program, so the cost to them is far less than going out and doing it yourself. The important part is to get to know your customer, their trends, how they spend, why they visit. I urge you to register now. Don't delay.
The benefits of this program start right now if they register their interest right now. Why wait?